Welcome to Tech It's Simple, the world of tutorials by complexity meets technique. You're watching Bigo Live Series Part 17. In this video, I will show you how to make an admin in the Bigo Live application. During live streaming, when there are many viewers in your stream, you wouldn't have time to watch everyone, and it would be a little difficult to handle it all by yourself. So, you can choose some trustworthy viewers and make them admin while streaming. You can set only 2 admins here. And once you set the person as admin, they will have the right to mute and kick out the viewers. To get started, open your live streaming. Right now, I'm streaming live here. These are my viewers. Select the viewer whom you want to make admin, click on their profile. You will see a little setting icon that says Set Manage at the right below. Tap on it, and some options will pop up. Select the option Set as Admin, and it will ask you to confirm if you really want to make this viewer as your admin. Because if you make this person admin, they will have access to mute and kick out your other viewers. So, if you are okay with that, go ahead and click on that confirm button, and you're all done. You can see this person has been made an admin of your live now. So, this is how you make admin in Bigo live streaming. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that bell icon to get notifications for more such helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.